over the paper leak issue, showing no signs of easing, with the parliament continuing to remain deadlocked despite the centre's outreach and the Prime Minister's assurances. Because while the government has promised a discussion in the parliament and also announced a series of confidence-building measures, the Congress has dug in its heels, insisting that any debate must be preceded by specific conditions. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Sabyasachi, an assurance has come in from the Prime Minister for the first time. He addressed the issue with a video message late in the night. Apart from that, we're also told that tough decisions will also be taken in the cabinet. In fact, the Prime Minister also assured that there will be tougher laws. But the opposition has been unrelenting. What is the opposition saying on the assurances from the Modi government?
Well, see, Pratibha, the opposition says that there could only be discussion in the House after the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Whether it is Rahul Gandhi who said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should apologize after the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Then there is Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president. He says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should come to the parliament after the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Then only the discussion will happen. And several other opposition parties, whether it is a Trinamool Congress, they in fact have said that the central government had brokered a compromise deal with Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, and they will hand over a lollipop to the opposition in the form of a new bill, and they would try to portray the protesters as violent, and they would try to end the protest. Now, the opposition have been demanding that first there should be the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, then there should be any discussion in the floor of the House as far as the paper leak is concerned. Now, we have seen that there are certain differences within the opposition parties like the Congress and Samajwadi Party. The Samajwadi Party leader, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, in fact, in the House had pointed out that the resignation can come later, but it is important that the discussion should take place in the floor of the House. And the opposition also wants that action should be taken against those police officials who were seen in the videos attacking the youth and the students, is what the opposition has been alleging. So the Loggerfest will continue, and the red line or the sticking point as far as the opposition is concerned still remains the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, just stay with us. We are breaking updates coming in. Like you mentioned, the opposition MPs say unrelenting, and they will be protesting at the Makar Dwar at 10:30 a.m. today over the issue of the students. So in just a short while from now, the opposition MPs will again be protesting at the Makar Dwar. Over the last few days, the opposition MPs have put up a united front, and they have been demanding a discussion on NEET and a resignation from the Education Minister. So Sabyasachi, today as well, that protest is going to continue, and after that video message as well, and after that assurance from the government that we are ready for a debate in the parliament, the opposition also goes on to say that it's not just about a debate in the parliament. Even that debate can happen only after Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the opposition says that though Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given the assurance that the government is going to discuss the bill in the cabinet on Monday, they are going to bring the bill in the House, and the government, in fact, is reaching out to different floor leaders of the opposition party. But the opposition said that this is an eyewash, because what the opposition currently is saying that in 2024, when the NEET paper leak happened, at that particular time also, the government said that action will be taken. In fact, the CBI investigation was lodged, but for 90 days there was no charge sheet registered, and also the people who were responsible, the CBI said that these people had no links with the paper leak. So the opposition says that the investigation is just the eyewash, and they say that we don't have problem with the bill, but our problem is with the intent of the central government, is what the opposition has been maintaining.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with that update. In just a few moments from now, the opposition leaders will be at Makar Dwar. We'll come back to you for those updates. Very quick break here, viewers. We'll be right back with lots more. Stay with us.